out here in the rain, Steam Team. Yes, sir. What's going on, Steam Team? It is Saturday, it's afternoon now.
Turn
I
left.
just finished with the first house for today. As you can tell, I'm riding solo. I thought I was gonna get me a lot of footage in, but I wasn't able to.
In half a
Got a
mile,
little
turn
bit
right
of the
toward
CRV
I-675.
action. and I got the ending part of the extraction. I wasn't able to really record. I had to. It was not really a tight area, but kids was there and walking. And I ain't
stay in the second lane from right.
But y'all see my shirt? Whoa. But anyway, I don't got through that one. Now I'm finna go meet.
Stay in the second lane from right.
My friend having a, what you call that thing? A grand opening. She got a little seafood truck. They sell seafood, fish. Y'all know what seafood is. And she got a mobile truck. They opening up today. They grand opening today. It gonna be at Morris Brown College. And my wife them, they already going on out there with the kids. And I was thinking about trying to meet them out there, but it ended at 3. And I got to go do this daycare as well. So I'm gonna play it by ear on how I'm gonna do it. And but yeah, I just wanted to touch base with y'all, cause yesterday Friday we just had to go do 3 of our daycares that we fog. And like I said, I didn't record it because I know y'all not big on the fogging. I watch my analytics, and none of my fogging videos ever got good responses. So I know that's not nothing y'all interested in. So I'm gonna stick to the carpet cleaning. Also,
at the light, use the right lane to turn toward I-675.
Try to get this crazy traffic, man. These people here. Once I get, hold on, y'all. Let me get over here right quick so I be out of the way of these people. All right. Yeah, what I was saying was, once I finish this one, then Monday we'll be back to some carpet. But I'm not gonna record this job either once I get here because I'm just gonna leave it with y'all on that. But anyway, man, I'm just touching bases. I appreciate everybody. Everybody who got their packages through the mail. Hope y'all enjoy them.
In 8.7 miles, keep right on
Mr. Jones,
I-25 East toward
I got the Star Tool packed up now. I finally got it packed up. So hopefully today's Saturday. I'm gonna have to probably take it Monday. And yeah, cause I'm riding solo Monday as well. My wife got to take my daughter to the doctor's appointment. So when they go to the doctor's appointment, I'm just gonna go ahead and have her to ship it on off to you. So hopefully by Monday, man, we'll ship it on out if you're watching this video. And to everybody else, we got a new contest finna come up. And we finna pick up some new merchandise. A little something just to do a giveaway with. You know how we do our giveaways. So y'all stay tuned for that. Don't forget to go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you're not a subscriber. Turn on the notification bell and share this channel with your friends. We're trying to get to that 2,000 mark. We thank everybody for helping us. And along the way, we don't pass the 1,500 mark. Now our next goal is the 2,000. So y'all help us get there. And we appreciate y'all, and we know how we had our 1,000 subscriber giveaway. We're gonna do a 2,000 subscribers giveaway, and this time the grand prize is gonna be extra nice. Y'all remember last grand prize was nice. So well, first, second, and third was nice. So it's gonna be extra nice when we get to 2,000. So y'all go ahead and help us get there, and we will see y'all Monday. Until then, God bless each and every one of y'all. Y'all stay focused. Keep your stay prayed up. Keep your mind on the right track, man. And y'all, this election still haven't found a president yet. I know we are the slow bunch. Everybody got their eyes on us. Georgia, the peach state. But now they talking about they finna do a recount. So hey, y'all just hold tight, be patient, and it'll be all over in a minute. But yeah, this is crazy. This is a crazy election. This reminds me of that Bush election back when they was in Florida, that Florida recount. Because man, this is off the chain, the way they acting. But anyway, guys, y'all be blessed, man, and enjoy the rest of your Saturday, your Sunday, and get ready for those who back working. Get ready for that Monday work week. All right.